Howdy everyone, Fishing Engineer here. Welcome. Today we're going to be assembling and painting a crankbait and going over the process, exactly how it's done. As you can see, we have our crankbait here that I designed and 3D printed. Alright, now that we got this all prepped for paint, I think we're going to go ahead and start with a nice opaque white. Alright, now that we got a nice base coat, we're gonna put this golden yellow Alright, now that we got that yellow on, we're gonna follow up with this orange. Alright, now that we got that orange on there, we're going to come in with green. Alright, now that we got that green on there, we're going to come in with a brighter green along the back. Alright, now that we get that light green on there, we're going to come in with a black, also good on the back. Alright, now that we got all those base coats on there, we're going to go ahead and put a clear coat over this. Alright, now that we got these paints covered with the clear coat, we're going to move on to adding scales. We're going to do that by using some fine mesh. And then for the scale color, we're going to be mixing this green and this metallic gray. Alright, now that we got those scale textures on there, we're going to go ahead and do the eyes. I think for the eyes, we're going to do this kind of an orange color. I think that'll go well. Kind of give it a highlight. Now we got those eyes on there, we can go ahead and put the final clear coat on. Alright guys, so this is the final result. Go ahead and put the hangers and hooks in. Alright, there's the lure complete with hooks. Alright guys, thanks for joining along today. Please leave a comment or suggestion, and please like and subscribe. Fishing Engineered out.